Hi everyone, welcome back to GFG Diaries. So today's video, we are gonna do a cooking video today, and it's gonna be a fun chat.
Fun cooking video.
Fun
with my cousins.
So today I have Joanne and Jerlyn with me. These are my two cousins, and they're gonna join me to do this recipe. And what recipe is it, Joanne?
Strawberry coconut jelly.
Okay,
Strawberry coconut jelly.
so excited to do this. It's an easy recipe, so you guys can also try this once.
Tender coconut water, coconut milk, chopped strawberries, sugar, tender coconut malai, and agar-agar.
Sauce. Correct. Okay, it's gonna be fun. 200 ml of coconut milk. Yeah.
And then on the chickens.
Get a spoon, Joanne. You can add 2.
எல்லாம் நம்ம ஆளுங்கடா ஒளிஞ்சிருக்க லட்சணம் அந்த
I'm
மாதிரி
gonna add some coconut water just to dilute around 100 ml. Okay. And you can add 1 tablespoon of agar-agar powder. If you don't have this, you can also substitute that with gelatin.
Full
Yeah.
So we are
Full
going to add the
add
coconut water.
Jerlyn, sugar add कर दिया. जोरा जोरा कैमरा लियो केक को. Strawberries we're gonna add it last. Okay.
அது அவங்க கேக்கவே இல்ல.
இல்ல frame விட்டு தள்ளி வைக்க போறேன்.
இது அத கட் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
2 spoons. If you guys need more sugar, you can add. No, not now.
சொல்லாததெல்லாம் செய்.
I'm gonna add agar. Fun video வந்து fun. அது fun நல்லா.
Why did it close so tight here?
Cook with Komalis. Basically, if you guys are watching that show.
But here all the Komalis are cooking.
ரொம்ப பயங்கரமான ஆளா இருப்பாரோ
Yeah. Add. For this, 1.5 tablespoon because it's almost like 1.5 liter. No, sorry, 1 liter. So almost 900 ml of tender coconut water.
Half spoon is there.
Why did you close?
Half, huh?
Yeah, half a spoon. அதுதான் மூலம். சரி, okay.
Another spoon.
Another spoon. Thank you. All the helpers are behind the
working
camera.
behind the
Yeah.
behind the screen. Next time we take video from the station.
பின்னால கொண்டாந்து வைப்பாங்க நல்லா குற்றாலத்துல இருக்க வேண்டிய
Okay, there should be no lumps, okay? The first time we're cooking like, group, so we don't know how to manage or organize the whole thing. In case if it's too clumsy, please do excuse us.
உங்க வீட்டு பிள்ளையா நினைச்சு எல்லாரும் என்னை மன்னிச்சிருங்க குறுக்கு இந்த கௌசிக் வந்தா
And this cameraman is very unprofessional. She keeps putting her hand in between. Let's go to the kitchen now. So this is the coconut milk pudding. This has to just come to a boil. And on the other side we also have tender coconut water. This also needs to come to a boil.
Meanwhile,
So we have both the jelly or pudding mixtures ready. And we're gonna layer it now. Got a strainer. Okay, after the first layer.
4 layers.
Yeah.
4.
4 in illa. You wanna layer this? Joanne. Oh, you wanna layer the tender? Take that. Anyways.
Jerlyn, it's slipping out.
Is this fun? Not for the viewers. Enough. I poured. 2 layers only.
போடு இஷ்டத்துக்கு போடு.
நல்லா வருது. You have to eat it.
அப்படியே
Yeah,
set
so you're gonna leave this. Yeah, we'll leave this for 10 minutes, and then add the next layers. Okay.
Pause பண்ணிட்டா.
Okay. Jalin is pouring the second layer now. We've left the first layer set for about 10 minutes, right? So it's quite delicate, but once we pour all the 4 layers, we have to keep it in the fridge for at least 2 hours.
பாரு. பியூட்டிஃபுல் ஆகுது.
Hmm?
பியூட்டிஃபுல். லக்கி பியூட்டிஃபுல். இப்பவே செட் ஆகுது.
Sorry, okay. No?
Done.
Second layer is done. What happened?
சும்மா
Chumma, she'll do all these summers.
yo whole world will see you.
Yeah, I know. The previous clip you should have seen. I'll upload it. Okay, go and watch.
Which one? பார்க்கலாம் first.
Nice expressions she's given.
Bye.
So this is the last layer. Jalin, be ready with your strawberries, okay? கையை இப்படித்தான் போடுவேன். தலகீழா தான்
One. That side you put this side. We know. Mix this.
ஸ்கிரீன் வேணுமா? சண்டை போடாம பண்ணணும். சரியா?
சண்டை போட்டாதீங்கப்பா.
Okay, finally after an hour, I think we've completed all the 3 layers. We plan to make 4, but we've made only 3.
இல்ல this has to set.
Anything else?
மீண்டுமா.
Oh my god.
I think that.
Next time,
No cousins.
no
we
cooking.
have cousins.
No group cooking. Yeah, we'll make a video on our terrace.
Even cooking videos also.
Okay, so the last layer is not set yet. So I'm going to put this in the fridge and we'll meet you guys after dinner.
One eternity later.
Our tender coconut pudding or jelly is ready and I'm going to cut this now. It's almost 12 and my cousins have already left. So let's see how it's come. Oh my god. Badi fruits ke liye aichu. It's not come out very good. Bucket layer. Oh, வழுக்குது. Okay. ஆனா கீழே தான் எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் செட் ஆயிருக்கும்.
கீழே லேயர் பண்ணி flop.
மறக்காம சர்ப்ரைஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.